Good day everyone. I am Princess, your student nurse from Our Lady of Fatima University, Pampanga campus. Our return demonstration for today is bed bath. Now, what is bed bath? It is performed in a bed given to a client who isn't able to bath himself. Now, the purpose of bed bath is to remove any microorganisms may foster in skin. Second is stimulate circulation. Third is to give them comfort and help them go to sleep. And lastly, observe skin conditions. We are guided by the following guidelines. First is to confirm doctor's order and check the chart because it might cause trouble to patient and build rapport and ask them the ability to assist with the procedure. First, we will gonna do our hand hygiene. And we will provide the privacy of the client. Now we will identify the client so we know if the client or the patient we have is the right patient we have. So ma'am, let me ask your name and your birthday.
Jamaica Andan, February 1, 2006.
Okay. So this is the right patient that we need to bed bath. So I will remove your gown po. Ma'am, check the water if it's okay.
Okay lang po.
Next, we will put the towel in the patient's head. And we will wet the towel. So first, we will gonna wet the eyes of the patient, the forehead, and ears. And especially Next, we will remove the towel and put it here. Let's wash the hands and pat it dry. And we will also do it on the other hand. Next, we will gonna clean the chest, the umbilical, and do the perineal care. But for now, we will not gonna do it to have the patient's privacy. Next, we will clean the patient's legs and thigh. Let's put the towel and then we will gonna clean up from down, then down to up. Then we will, after this leg, we will do the same on the other legs. Then after that, we will pat it dry and remove the towel. And we need to put the patient on his or her side. Let's put the towel. And we will gonna wash its back. After washing the patient's back, we will gonna remove the towel. And let's remove the bedpan also. Ma'am, let's the other side. Then after that, let's change the patient's gown and the bed linens to stop the spread of microorganisms. And that's how you do bed bath. So now we're gonna do our shampooing. First, hand hygiene. Next is we will identify our patient. Ma'am, let me ask you po, ano pong name and birthday niyo po?
Jamaica Andan, February 1, 2006.
Now, let's check the wristband and tamang patient po ang napuntahan natin. Next, we will provide our privacy and start na po tayo. But before po ma'am, ask ko lang po, comfortable po ba kayo sa position niyo po?
Yes po.
Okay po. Now, start na po. So, babasahin po natin yung mga client. Then, lalagay po tayo ng shampoo. Then, pabulain po natin. Next is, banlawan po natin. Next po is, tatabi po natin yung hair and pupunasan po natin. Wala yung suko natin yung hair ni client. And after po nun, tapos na, alisin po natin yung gloves and alcohol. And yun lang po para sa ating shampooing. So now we're gonna do the oral care. First, we're gonna hand hygiene. We will identify the patient. Ma'am, let me ask you po, what's your name? Can you say your name and birthday po?
Jamaica Andan, February 1, 2006.
And check ko na yung wristband ng patient, kung tamang patient yung ginagawa ko ng oral care. Now I will provide the privacy of the patient. I will close the curtain and I will ask, ma'am, ano pong brand ng toothpaste pong gamit ko?
Colgate.
And ask ko po if kailan po kayo last ng toothbrush?
Ano ng umaga po.
Umaga po. So dahil nalaman natin kung kailan at anong Colgate ang gamit ng patient, we will ask the patient if kaya nilang kumain ng isa or need niya ng assistant. Ma'am, hindi po ba ng assistance or pwede na po kayo kumain ng
Kailangan.
Now I will assess my patient. Ma'am, happy tayo. So, wala namang abnormalities na nakita sa mouth ng patient. Now po, mouth further return. tutulungan ko siya.
Ngayon.
Hawakan ko siya muna. Now, yung mouthwash, optional siya. And we're gonna moisturize the lips of our patient. Okay. After that, ibabalik na natin yung patient sa comfortable na position. After that, we will remove our gloves and do hand hygiene. And that's it for our parlor tour. So now, we were gonna do massage. First, we were gonna do hand hygiene. Let's identify the patient. Ma'am, can you say your name and your birthday?
Jamaica Andan, February 1, 2006.
Okay. And I will check her wristband. So we got the right patient. And we will provide the privacy for our patient. So ma'am, let me ask you po if kaya niyo pong tumalikod or hindi po.
Kaya naman po.
Gusto po kayo. Then after nun, we will gonna put lotion. And we're gonna do the 4 stroke. First stroke, second, third, and the fourth. And we're gonna wipe the lotion sa back ng patient. And babalik natin yung patient sa comfortable na position. Ma'am, balik po tayo. Now, ma'am, let me ask you po, ano pong naramdaman nyo after ng massage?
Mas comfortable na po yung pakiramdam ko ngayon.
So, dahil sabi ng patient, she is more comfortable sa nararamdaman niya ngayon. And after that, we will remove our gloves. And we're gonna do hand hygiene. And that's how we do back massage.